We want to find the exact value of sine of pi eighths. Now let's look at this one and think about what if we took pi fourths and we divided it in half. That would be pi eighths. So we could use a half angle formula to get this. And so the half angle formula, we need to think about what quadrant we'd end up in if I cut pi fourths in half and got pi eighths, and that would still just be in quadrant 1, so it's going to be positive. So we have the square root of 1, sine is minus cosine of pi fourths, and then over 2. And I didn't mention this again, but when they say exact value, you know you're using some kind of an identity or formula or something, not the calculator. Okay, so square root of 1 minus cosine of pi fourths is square root 2 over 2, and then that's over 2. So we'll go ahead and get a common denominator. We'll make this into halves. So now we have the square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. And then let me make the square root a little bigger. So that's divided by 2, which we'll put over 1. And then we can invert and multiply, so we can take that and flip it over. And so our final answer is going to be 2 minus square root of 2, and that's over 4. We could have the square root on the top and square root the 4 on the bottom, and that would be a 2 not underneath the square root now.